So, you're facing a divorce, and you own a business. That's a pretty tricky situation, right? What's the first thing that pops into your head?
Probably panic. Yeah, total panic. Then maybe, can I even sell my business before the divorce is finalized?
Exactly. That's the big question we're tackling today. We're diving into this article.
And it's not as simple as a yes or no answer, I'm afraid.
Nope. It's a real legal and financial mess. Let's try to navigate it together. First things first, is it even legal to sell your business before a divorce?
It depends. It really depends on your state laws and whether your business is considered marital or separate property. If it's marital property, which is often the case, you'll need your spouse's agreement or a court order.
So a lawyer is a must, right? I mean, absolutely essential.
Absolutely, they can help determine the property classification and guide you through the whole legal process. You really need one.
Okay, let's say it's legal. When's the best time to sell? Before the divorce proceedings start or during?
Ideally, before. Way before. It simplifies asset division and might even fetch a better price. A stressed sale during a divorce can really lower the value.
But what if the business is doing really, really well? Waiting could mean more money, right?
True, but the uncertainty of divorce proceedings could also impact the business's value negatively. It's a tough call, a real balancing act.
And how do you even put a price on a business during a divorce? That sounds like a complete nightmare.
It is tricky. Yeah, it's really tricky. You need a professional appraisal that considers all factors, including your spouse's contributions and future earnings potential. This is where a business valuation expert comes in. Seriously.
So it's not just about the current profits, but also the future potential?
Exactly. A fair valuation is crucial to avoid major disputes later on.
What about protecting your business assets during the divorce? Any tips?
Keep your personal and business finances completely separate. Maintain meticulous records of all transactions. And again, consult with a lawyer specializing in divorce and business law. This is key.
A prenuptial agreement could help too, right?
Yes, but only if you had one before the marriage. A postnuptial agreement might be an option, but it's much more complicated.
Let's say you decide to sell. How do you negotiate with your spouse? This is a tough one.
Open communication is key, really. Be transparent about the business's finances. Consider mediation to keep things civil and productive.
So aiming for a win-win scenario is the best approach?
Absolutely. It's about finding a solution that's fair to both parties. That's the goal.
Let's address some common questions. Does one spouse always lose more financially in a divorce?
Not necessarily. It depends on so many factors, including premarital assets, income, and state laws. Legal advice is essential for both parties, really.
And can a spouse really claim half of a business?
In many cases, yes, if it's considered marital property. Again, it depends on the specifics of the situation and state laws. It's complicated.
The article mentions some successful business sales before divorce. What can we learn from those?
Proactive planning and strategic negotiation are crucial. A well-timed sale can protect your financial interests and simplify the divorce process. It makes a huge difference.
So can you sell your business before a divorce?
The short answer is maybe. It's a very complex situation requiring legal and financial expertise. Please don't try to navigate this alone.
Solid advice. Seek professional help. It's definitely worth the investment. This has been a really insightful discussion. Thanks for breaking down this complicated topic.
My pleasure. It's a crucial issue for many business owners facing divorce.
That was a great discussion. Thanks so much.